Hello everybody, I'm Vaishali Wagmare. Welcome you all to my new series of tenses. Today I am going to record a short video on simple present tense. Simple present tense using action verbs. Now when do we use these type of tenses? We use simple present tense to talk about the actions happening on regular basis. But there are two rules for this tense. Basically, I want to give you two options first. The first option is I love my mother, and the second option is my mother loves me. Now in the first sentence, what is the subject? I, and the verb is love, and the object is my mother. In the second sentence you will find my mother subject, loves verb, and me is the object. Now what is the difference in both the verbs? In the first situation we saw the verb is without s, and in the second situation we saw the verb is with s. Yes, so these are two rules to use simple present tense. So whenever my subject is I, we, you or they, I don't use s to my first verb. I repeat, whenever the subject begins with I, we, you, they, I don't use s to my first verb. And in the second situation, whenever my subject is he, she, it, name of the person, we use s or es to the first verb, or I can say third person singular. Now what do you mean by third person singular? It means that I become the first person because I'm talking to you, you become the second person, and about whom we are talking, that should be the singular one. So we apply the rule here. So these are two important rules of simple present tense using main verbs.